What's up, guys? It's Kole back with some more freaking Balloons Tower Defender 5. Yeah, okay. We gotta finish up our game. Let's do it. Whoa, excuse me. Alright, so last time. Oh, I got to get this. Yeah, 17, nice. Alright, we will do this time. This time I'm a lot more enthusiastic because my dad's home instead of my stepmom this time, so I'm all good. Alright, let's do this. What am I, 29? Not bad, actually. It's not what I expected to be at, but not bad. I need a freaking, whoa. I need a super monkey is what I need. Yep. But I gotta get a ninja monkey first. Because, actually, you know what? I really like this. Crap, doesn't fit on that one. This will go right, maybe right there. That works. Okay, let's do this. Here comes the action. The action. Wait, wasn't I gonna put a cannon? Yeah, I was gonna put a cannon. Crap. Alright, I'll do that this episode for sure. That's in a few seconds right now. Alright. Okay, I need to upgrade it. Yep, there we go. I need to upgrade it more, but I will do that in a minute. Okay, right now. Oh, so what have you guys been up to? Is everything awesome? If so, then that's good. How's it going? Is it good? How are you today? If you're good, then I'm good. If you're bad, then I'm good. Because I'm pretty good today. Doing better than usual. It's kind of odd. I didn't expect it, but you know what I mean. Crap, this guy, Monkey Bomber, is no use to me right now. I'm gonna use this guy. I like him. Whoa, nice. I had a lot of money for upgrading. Alright. So, back to the game. I was talking about the game. What am I talking about? Oh, I love this cluster bomb thing. What the heck? I don't know if I want to get that missile launcher. Alright, I will. Because they just don't explode the other bombs. I mean, not bombs, the metal balloon things. Watch, see? Look, look, look. Oh, they do? Nice, I didn't know that. Cool. Because I did not know that. Crap, why did I do that? I need to save up. Monkey Apprentice, that works. Oh. No. Yeah, okay. I need somebody right here. Let's put this guy. Why not? Dang it! These guys are so useful. I just wanna use it. Oh no! Did I really just do that? Sell. Alright, right there. Now, screw you. Do. Alright. So, what have you guys been up to? You guys having some fun today? Not that way. You guys think wrong. You made it wrong. I didn't make that wrong. I didn't do that. You did that. You made it wrong. It's all you, man. Come on. Be mature, can you? Seriously? It's just, I'm so disappointed in you. Really, man. Really. Okay. I'm gonna save up for, you know what? I don't know. We'll find out if I need any. Because I'm gonna try to get a super monkey soon. Very soon. Very, 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 very soon. I'm excited. I love those guys. Okay. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'd like to, but I need a super monkey. Sorry, my nose is all clogged up. Nah. Okay. Oh, jeez, I hate these guys. No, are you kidding me? Look what I do. This is what I do when that happens. I just close out and go to that. Like so. And, wait. Crap. I forgot to set a timer, but, you know what? I'm just gonna be cool about it. And, well, we were very close to getting a super monkey. And, I'm just playing. We were very close to getting a super monkey, and I screwed up. Wait a minute. Wait. What do you guys think? Should I just... I'm gonna stop right there. But, I'm gonna upload this one. Please watch the next one. I'm uploading it. I uploaded it at the same time as this one. Yeah.